Hi friends, welcome to TRENDRIDER channel supported by Horinga at time. Today we are going to do the technical analysis for State Bank of India stock. SBIN is the ticker name, and this is the monthly technical chart of State Bank of India, and this is a price history chart of the stock, and these are all the technical indicator graphs that I am using to do the analysis for this stock. Okay, if you look at the price history of the stock, priced for the past, we have data since 2013 onwards, and the last 2000, August 2013 onwards, the stock started moving in upward direction and consistently. I mean, it is not consistent, but it is trying to attempt, make new highs. And this was a peak price, last peak price. That time it was trading at 336, and recently it crossed in 2017 September. October 2017, and that time it went up to 352. So this was a recent attempt to cross its previous peak price, and last time this peak price happened in 2015 January, and after 2 years, nearly 2 years, 10 months, again one more attempt by SBI to cross its previous peak price. So meanwhile, what was happening between these 2 years, 2.5 or 2 years, 10 months? It has been moving sideways. You can clearly see that, and in the middle, there was it came under the influence of negative super trend mode, and recently again it came under the influence of the positive super trend mode. So from February 2017 onwards, it is under this stock is under the influence of positive super trend mode, and this is this month candle, and November candle, and just now it started, and we hope everything goes smooth. Okay, let's see what are the indicators. I mean, what the getting points are thrown. What sort of getting points are thrown by the indicators. Now, before moving to the graphs, I would like to have a look at moving average. The stock already crossed its 20 and 50-day moving average, and right now it is under, as I already told you, it is under the influence of a positive super trend mode. Very good. And the look at the momentum. This is a momentum graph. If you look at the momentum is playing on top of the zero line, but momentum is very low. Okay, maybe that is the reason why this stock is not picking up much when it comes to price. Look at the RSI strength is also quite low. Actually, it is a RSI graph that if you look at the tip of the RSI, it is making a V and parallel line to the top line. And look at the ADX direction strength of the stock. This is rising. This is rising, and that both lines. Green line is on above the top of the red line, but both looks like converging actually. And if you look at the trade volume is slowly increasing, but we can see some sort of yeah, I'm keeping the crosses here so that you can see both this level and this level. Okay, the trade volume is good, but 9.88 billion. But the point is, okay, anyway, it is rising slowly, and it is not like, it is not a continuous slope towards the top. It's not like that. It's like, up and down kind of thing. But it is rising even right now. This is the one. And look at the stochastic. Stochastic is, the signal line is the slow line. Is on top of the this thing, and this is where, unless this black line crosses this red line, we cannot. We can expect a positive. We cannot expect a positive trend. So this black line has to cross the red line, and it has to come on top of the red line. So right now, we are seeing that, the indicators. The guiding points of the indicators are all most of the indicators are in are throwing positive signals only, but all these signals are in the initial phase. If you look at the strength, if you look at the momentum is there, but it is very low. The strength is there, but it is very low. Direction strength is also picking up right now, and trade volume is also picking up. So all these things indicate that, right now the stock is, maybe because of all these reasons, because of the low momentum, low strength, low direction strength, all this low relative strength, all this, because of all these reasons, that is why the uh, all these reasons are dragging down the stock, though it wants to move in the upward direction. uh, So this the conclusion is like, this is a slow rising stock, but it will rise. It will the price will increase, but for this kind of stock to reach to cross 400, I'm targeting 400. Okay, right now it is at 310, and for this to cross 400, I think it will take nearly 1 year at this pace, unless there is a change, unless there is a change in either in the momentum or in strength or whatever. I mean, all these three parameters, we cannot expect a huge difference and price acceleration of the stock. So that is the conclusion. I mean, this is the right time to invest, but it's like because it is a slow paced moving stock, so we cannot expect huge returns within a short span of time. So it's like, you have to. I mean, it's like invest and forget, and come after 1 year or 2 years, then you will see the stock going at 350, 380 or somewhere like that. Okay, that is how the stock moves. It's a slow paced moving stock. Okay, guys, this is the analysis for the stock. If you like this analysis, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.